Anita came to me last night, and she cried over and over. Oh Daddy, I love you, you know I think it's the moon. She looked so fine, well she looked alright, and she moaned, oh Daddy, moreover. Oh baby, I know what I like, and I think it's a moon. Made in Mexico, schooled in France, ooh la loving, she needed no teaching. Oh man, I could say international ways I believe in. Mexican girl, leave me alone, I got a heart as big as a stone. I need you, believe me, to be here and help you tonight. Mexican girl, I want you to stay. Though my heart is longing to say that as long as I live I will always remember the one I call my Mexican girl. Well, hi there pluckers, I've the Saw Fingers again with you, with hopefully another little interesting ditty for you, a classic song from Smokie again, and this one's called Mexican Girl. Okay, standard tuning, capo on the 3rd fret, okay, puts us into the same key as Smokie's original version. Okay, so what you heard there was basically the intro, verse, pre-chorus and chorus, and then basically it just repeats more of the same. Okay, so you've got everything you need to play the song. So let's starting off the intro, right, forming a D shape, okay, D chord, and basically it's 4 times. Okay, so it's D, you go 1, 2, 3 twice, right, then the top E string open, and then the second on the 3rd, so it's, and you do that 4 times, okay, the whole thing, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, open top E string, second on the 3rd, 4 times. Okay, then I'm doing into D, straightforward D chord. When Anita came to me last night, and she cried over and over, and that's like nice to get that sort of a Spanishy type of. So you do, and you sort of a definite sort of arpeggiated strum. Accentuated sort of strum, yes, okay, arpeggiated, quick arpeggiate. So, from the beginning, Anita came to me last night, and she cried over, and then I'm playing a G chord, I'm playing a 4-fingered G, to give it a little bit more jingle jangle. So top 2 strings fretted at the 3rd fret from the capo there. Oh, and then I'm playing an A7. That's an A chord with an open 3rd string. So second on the 4th, second on the 2nd string there. 5 down to 1. Okay, so from the beginning, Anita came to me last night, and she cried over and over. A7. Oh, Daddy, I love you, and I think it's the moonlight. Right, when you get to that, so that when you come, Daddy, I love you, you know I think it's the moonlight. It does a couple of those, so it's like, it's all on D, and then you lift that 2nd finger off the top E string for a very quick on and off, or off and on, right? Right, go. And then starts the second part of the verse, okay? So from the beginning, Juanita came to me last night and she cried over and over, oh daddy, I love you, you know what I think it's the moon. She looked at, and then another verse again sort of thing, the second half of the verse, she looked so fine and she looked alright, and she moaned, oh daddy, it's G over. A7 again, oh baby, you know what I like, and I think it's deep in moonlight. Right, and then we play a little bit of a Spanishy riff double stopper, so I'll show you that in a second. So right from the beginning, slowly. Juanita came to me last night and she cried over and over, oh daddy, I love you, you know I think it's the moon. She looked so fine, well she looked alright, and she moaned, oh daddy, move over, oh baby, you know what I like, and I think it's the moon. Right, then we play this little Spanishy bit. That sort of thing, okay? So I'm starting up on the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th fret on the top E string, from the 7th fret from the capo, and the 8th fret on the top E string, and 8th fret on the 2nd string. Right, so we do those two together, and then we do this shape. So I'm now playing the 5th fret from the capo on the top E string and the 7th fret on the capo on the 2nd string. So it goes, right, so it goes, we've got that last line where it goes, oh baby, you know, sorry, where are we? And she looks, no, but I've lost it again, I don't even, oh baby, you know what I like, and I think it's the moon. Right, so it goes, but once on that, twice on this one, sorry, and then you go down 2 frets, 3rd fret from the capo on the top E string and 5th fret from the capo on the 2nd string. So it's, and then we do that 1 second on the top E string from the capo and 3rd on the 2nd. So it's, and then just a single one on the 2nd on the 2nd string and open top E string. Okay, so it's, okay, so shall we get that far? Right from the beginning? Okay, so right from the intro. Juanita came to me last night and she cried over and over, oh daddy, I love you, you know I think it's the moonlight. She looked so fine, well she looked alright, and she moaned, oh daddy, move over, oh baby, you know what I like, and I think it's the moonlight. Alright, now we go into like the pre-chorus. D, made in Mexico, schooled in France, ooh la loving, she needed no G, teaching. A7, oh man, I could say international ways, I be D, believe in. D7, Mexican. Then we go into the chorus it proper. Okay, so pre-chorus is G, comes into that, goes D, made in Mexico, schooled in France, ooh la love, she needed G, teaching. A7, oh man, I could say international ways, D, I believe in. D7, Mexican, G, girl, don't leave me alone, I got a D, heart as big as a stone. A7, but I need you to believe me to be your love. Me D7, Mexican G, girl, I want you to stay. You know D, my heart is longing to say that A7, long as I live, I will always remember the one that I call Stop, my Mexican girl. D A7, and then it goes into another verse. Okay, so it just starts all over again. Okay, so that chorus again is Mexican G, girl, don't leave me alone. I got a D, heart as big as a stone. A7, and I need you, believe me, to be here. Love me to D, D7, G, Mexican girl, I want you to stay. You know my D, heart is longing to say A7, that as long as I live, I will always remember the one that I call Stop, my Mexican girl. G, back to D, A7, back to D. Then you can start singing again. Okay, skin was soft as velvet. And you get the idea. It just starts another verse all over again. Okay, so there you have it, boys and girls. That's my easy peasy lesson on Mexican Girl from Smokie. Okay, so hope you have fun with that, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.